Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making the authentic bitter leaf soup. I'll be taking you step by step on how to prepare this delicious bitter leaf soup. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, leave your comment for me, and also help me to share the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So here is my bitter leaf. I've already washed the bitter leaf and then I boiled it. Okay, I boiled it to remove the bitter taste because I don't want the bitter taste in the soup. Okay, and then I'm going to be slicing it because I don't want it long, but if you want it long, you can just leave it like this. So here is the beef I'll be using to prepare the soup. Here I have the ogiri. So this is what takes the taste of your soup from 1 to 100. Okay, this is ogiri. Do not skip it. If you can withstand the smell, like it smells so bad, but it's actually good. So here is my stock fish and my crayfish, and here I have my pepper. I'm using both the red and the yellow pepper. And also for my thickener, I'll be making use of cocoyam. Okay, so here is my cocoyam. This is my cocoyam. I didn't show it well, I'm so sorry. So we are going to start now to cook our meat. I'll be adding my stockfish too because they both take the same time to cook. I wash the stockfish with hot water. Then I'll be adding in my pepper. I'll add in my seasoning cube now. Add in some water just to cook the beef and the stockfish. Enough water for your soup actually. So you're going to add water according to the quantity of soup that you are making. Okay, I'm just going to mix this, cover this pot, and allow this to cook. So guys, now that our stockfish and our beef is cooked, I'll be adding in my crayfish. And then I will go in with my cocoyam. I cook the cocoyam until soft and then I use my blender to blend. Okay, you can pound it if you want to, but I don't like going through that stress, so I use the blender to blend it. You can also use your food processor to blend it too. Then I'll be adding in the okpei now. I'll add in my palm oil. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know why. If you have not liked this video, please help me to like the video. Okay, like the video and leave your comment for me in the comment section. Also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Help me to share the video now. Okay, help me to share. Just share, click on the share button and share. It's free. Okay, so you are going to test test your soup, and if you think that you need some adjustment, you can adjust it at this point. So I adjusted mine at this point. I just added only salt, okay, and I will cover and allow this to cook until the palm oil and the cocoyam have completely dissolved in the soup. So here is what we have. Our soup is almost ready. So now I'll be adding in my bitter leaf. Then I'm going to stir this, cover the pot and allow this to cook for a few minutes. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Have you let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying with this soup. This soup goes well with either fufu or gari. Let me know if you've been enjoying this with fufu, gari or semo. At this point, nepa took the light, okay, so I'm just managing with the light. This is what we see here in Nigeria, okay. So here is what we have. Our delicious bitter leaf soup is ready. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to do all that good stuff to the channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come here when it's time, please stay safe. Bye.